everybody, welcome to Adventures with Edna. I'm Chance. Dad's not here because it's Father's Day! Yeah! Okay, so, let's take Edna for a drive. So let's put it in neutral. There we go. Yeah! 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 Feels good! Yeah! Yeah! Alright, let's go. Oh wait, I don't think I can drive yet. Dang it! Alright, so let's fix the tailgate. Alright, so sometimes I like to sit out here on the tailgate, but I can't open it because it's too tight right here. So we're gonna fix that. And normally, I need Dad's help to open it because I can't do it by myself. So that's what we're gonna do. So there's a big gap right here, which makes it too tight for me to pull it off. I'll open this right here, and I can't open it because of that gap, because it's in the way pretty much. Wait a minute, I need both hands. Beast mode activated! Alright, I can't do that. My hands are vibrating! An idea. Put this in here and pull. Come on, come on, come on. I'll be right back. That was easy. So when we put stuff in the bed, this gets pushed outward. So we want to push it back in. And to do that, we're going to use ratchet straps. Ratchet straps, ratchet straps, ratchet straps, ratchet straps. And these are ratchet straps, ratchet straps, ratchet straps, ratchet straps. Perfect. The bed sides have little holes right here where you can put the hooks in here. We're gonna get this hooked up. So now, we're gonna go back across this side. As we tighten the ratchet straps, it's going to pull the two sides of the bed in. We went a little bit more further than it should have been to make sure it bent. It's holding me. Now we're going to take the tension off and see what we did. Finally can do it now. Now I did it. See? Now I can open it and sit out here whenever I want. And that's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
What are you doing out here?